made it. We're here. It's cold.
Let's grab
bomb food.
burrito.
Your burrito. Ivan, like the guy was like, "Oh, you just want one flauta," and Ivan's like, "No, I want 2 flautas." The whole time the man meant 2 combos, so he accidentally ordered a whole nother plate. Nice. Let's set this up to watch the kids play. Cutie cuties.
Mommy! Look!
We didn't get like little plates.
It was silverware.
They didn't? Why did they street
Mommy, look! My feet are in the sand!
Where are your feet?
I can't move!
Oh
No. Now I'll have to take that out.
If you guys are hungry, you can come eat, okay? The food's over here. Oh, and we're here, by the way, for a last little vacation before Benji starts school next week.
Come on, Ivy. You wanna go see the water? Let's go see the water.
We're going to put in this huge bucket.
Where are we going, Benji?
To the water. We'll put some water in here, and this hole we made, put the water in there. And then the boat into it, wait a minute. That's why we got this. Mama! Mama! Are you going to water?
Come on.
I'll get the water.
We all have to go.
We all have to go?
Yeah. Ivy.
I'm going to wait for you to get that water.
Go, Benji, go. Go get it. Ivy.
Too cold.
You want to get in? Go. Benji, look at the camera. Go get the water. Give me your hand. Go. Come back. Come back. Ivy. Look, here it comes. Hi! Hi! Run, 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 run! What happened? Again? Again? Give me your hand, give me your hand. Come back, Benji. Get water. You gotta get a lot. Your bucket. Go, go, go. Get water so we can take it. Come on. You gotta get a lot. You gotta get a lot. Oh, that's cold. Hey. Come on, come on. Walk, walk, walk. Wait, Benji.
It is in the low 60s. And look at them. Everyone is in sweaters. And they're getting wet. Benji, you're crazy.
That went up to like his waist. Ivy, let's go in the water. Why? Why?
A few moments later.
Now it's Ivy.
I see Ivy.
Look at her running. We are renting this little ride. Anywhere I try to walk, Ivan's covering. Benji, Ivy,
Look, look at Mama.
are you ready?
What the heck? I don't know how to ride a bike.
Low key, I don't know how to ride a bike, so hopefully we're fine. You ready?
Yeah.
We've never done this before.
Hopefully we don't crash.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna turn this off
This
just
is
because I
brake.
don't want to crash. Alright. It's been 10 minutes. And we're tired. Are you tired?
I'm tired as hell.
He's like, you can bring it back at 6. We've already been riding for a little bit.
For like 10
Barely
minutes.
5:05. Like, what? And this is not like, I don't know, girl friendly. Like this, I'm too short. Too short.
Alright, ready?
You like it, Benji?
Got it.
Bad.
Splash Cafe. It's been 5 years since we had this. Lots of drinks.
On the floor.
So we got the kids these matching lifeguard Pismo Beach sweaters, which they kind of need. Excuse me, they kind of needed because they came with sweaters. They got them wet, and that's all we had. So then Benji had to give his sweater to Ivy because his wasn't as wet as hers, and I had to give him mine, and then Ivan had to give me his. So got these, and then we got these crickets.
How did you buy them? You scare me.
Daddy said, Ivan said to get these and that we should do like a video and whoever loses
And then,
has to eat these.
and then just
Yeah.
bury them?
Just eat them.
I want eat them.
You don't eat them. We got Splash Cafe to go. And they just gave us the bread bowl and the clam chowder.